What's up guys, it's Crypto Connoisseur here. We're going to be talking about YAMS and how you can get loads of money from it. YAMS is new crypto. It's got lots of use cases, so it's going to be big. It's had a dip, rebase dip, so that's normal. Everyone knew that was happening. But yeah, YAMS they'll look really good in anyone's portfolio. So yeah, thanks for watching. Anyone new here, sometimes I get distracted and talk slow and sidetracked. It's completely it's just a side symptom. I basically bought some limitless pills off the dark web, off a place in China. Limitless, from the film Limitless, and I've been taking lots of them. So yeah, they're just slowly going to be taking effect, and I'll be next video I'll probably be super quick talking and stuff. So yeah, So YAM, I want to talk a little bit about how we're going to get YAMs, farming them, and what value YAMs have and how they're going to be useful for you. Yeah, so a little bit about me before we get into it is as you know, I'm Crypto Connoisseur. I've been in the crypto cipher space since 2008, 2007 actually, if you count that other year. So yeah, I know the space really well. I got loads of videos from back then, but my old YouTube account got deleted and hacked. So yeah, can't get any of that back, annoyingly. But yeah, I do have proof. It's just you can't see it. Yeah, so YAM is it's part of the new DeFi space. So DeFi means definance, i.e. opposite finance, anti-finance. So it's kind of anti-money, which is really cool, I think. Yeah, I think there's a big market for anti-money at the moment and stuff. Yeah, so YAM, how do we get it? So you can. I prefer to get off exchanges for stuff, usually, because exchanges are just safer than using smart contracts at the moment. Smart contracts get hacked all the time. So if you want, you can set up on an exchange. No exchanges sell YAMs yet, annoyingly, but you should just set up there. Don't worry about 2FA. There's no point in 2FA. I've looked into it. 2FA is useless. Just set give yourself a standard password, the same as you should always use the same password on everything. Otherwise, you get confused and forget. So just use, your pet and a number or something, your old pet, and make an account and get ready because YAMs will be available on, not the big exchanges, but they'll be available on the cool indie exchanges. So yeah, but we're talking about getting it now. So you can use MetaMask. There's MetaMask. And you can just buy from there basically. Yeah, so I have a few things about MetaMask that I don't like. I think it's made by the Firefox developers. So yeah, here's my MetaMask. You can see I got loads of YAM. These were worth a lot of money, but they're not at the moment, but they will be again. So I'm going to hold on to them. They're pretty good. But yeah, this is MetaMask. But I'll tell you, this is MetaMask is sneaky. Because this is the Firefox, I think. When you're typing your password, he's just looking at it, so you can try and trick him sometimes by he stays there and then come around. No, so this is the thing. Sometimes you can get him stuck, and then that's when you have to enter your password. But it took me about 2 hours the other day. So yeah, I don't think he looks at your password on Firefox. I think he knows not to. So you can use Firefox, it's also good. But yeah, just be careful there. So Uniswap, this is why I don't really like Uniswap. I think it's, I'm pretty sure children made this, just because of the colour scheme and stuff. I think it was made by kids, so of course it's not as safe as exchanges. But anyway, I don't know the steps you use at MetaMask and Uniswap. I had to have a friend's brother come and do it for me. But yeah, you kind of do it there. Yeah, It's cool. It's annoying actually. Since I swapped to this browser or updated it, I lost all my cool. I used to have like Nitro search here, which is really cool, and loads of other like adverts and cool stuff along here. That's all gone. Not sure where that's gone. Anyway, yeah, Uniswap, it is dangerous, but if you know someone that can use it, that's how you're going to get your yams. And then just hold on to them until they moon. They will go to the moon. I wanted to talk a little bit about how I track my... These are my currencies and how you track them on CoinGecko. CoinGecko's, I think they're the top guys in the business. You can favorite all the ones. Don't worry about Bitcoin and Ethereum. They ain't going nowhere. Favorites, yeah, just like all of the. So you just put all your favorites in here and stuff. Yeah, it's really cool. And you can look at charts in here, and these are the best charts you get. These are ones for human reading. I do wanted to show you what robots use for markets. Crypto. So this is what like all of the bots are using this. It's, it's all in robot font. Yeah, don't worry about this. If you're looking at this and I cannot read this, don't worry. You're not expected to. Yeah. So I'm gonna get rid of this because it slows my MacBook down. Yeah, remember to follow me on Twitter. That's a bug. I've probably got 9K. I don't know why it says 9. It's a bug though. I talked to Twitter about it. They said they're going to fix it. So, yeah. Yeah, join me on Twitter. I always talk about all of the new moonshots and where we're going. And post my wins. So, you can see yams have gone down more since I was talking about them. But that's cool. They're going to moon, so that's cool. Yeah, another little thing. More proof that Craig Wright is Satoshi. So it's known to anyone with half a brain, but now the people with a full brain can see that it is him, because they're doing a movie. So yeah, there he is. Cool. Yeah, they're doing a movie. Yeah, so that's just definitive proof. Oh man. Hey, oh man, that's cool. You can hit space. You can hit space on this website and it makes it scroll. Oh man. You can do it on all websites. Oh, so, little tip guys. You hit space instead of scrolling. It's going to scroll you. So yeah. Yeah, some other stuff. Yeah, let's actually get up the YAM chart. I think that's the best thing to do, so I can kind of talk through the tactical analysis and yeah. Yeah, so this is so it kind of went down. It's gone down loads. But I think yeah, I think it's going to come up again because of the rebase. So yeah, it's going to be big. Like it's already $1 again almost. So all-time high. Yeah, we're going to close in on that. I think I sometimes tweet the guys that made it, but the guys that made it are yeah, they're kind of fudding it now, which is a bit weird. I think it's because it's now decentralized, so they're just angry. But they're basically fudding their own project, so jokes on them. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I thought of a joke that I'm going to share with you guys. How does Bob Marley like it? With yamming. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to put donation addresses down below on this video. You can donate. I need it to run. We don't need any money. We got loads. It's just yeah. I mean, I reckon I'm probably 6 to 10 of the bull runs until I'm pretty much Bezos rich. So yeah, it's 6 to 7. So when all of those bull runs happen, yeah, gonna be fucking rich. And really exciting news. Lastly, guys, is I'm making my own blockchain. It's going to be called SCHRODINGERCOIN. You basically put money in to the box, and it's like farming, but sometimes you get it back and sometimes you don't. So it's like a kind of Schrodinger's box if you ever listen to science stuff. Schrodinger. This is all the code. This won't mean anything to you. Just ignore it. Yeah, it's complicated doing all the coding stuff. I don't have any friends. Well, I got friends. Just like no one knows how to code this. So yeah. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I got a question. Someone about here, Harold _Gary. He's asking, how do you copy addresses? I'm saying don't copy addresses. I assume you mean for sending money. Don't copy them. If you copy your address, you're just telling your keyboard to save that address, and that can be hacked. You can hack a keyboard. So with addresses, just do them one by one. Do the letters one by one. Just type it all in. So if you need to send some Ethereum to another account, just type it one by one as you see the address. Do not copy and paste. It will get hacked. And then you just want to send all the money in one. Don't do a tester or anything, because that'll cost loads of gas, like hundreds of gas. So yeah, just send it all in one go, but just write it one by one. Don't copy paste. You're basically opening yourself up to hackers. That's pretty much it. We don't have any more questions in at the moment, but we'll get to the. We have loads of questions, and we'll get to those ones next week. We've run out of time, so yeah, cool guys. Thanks for listening. Remember to like and subscribe and donate. We don't need the money, but donate if you'd like to anyway. That'd be cool. Thanks.